Another bombshell in PNP campaign funds scandal. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, vendors say downtown violence killing business.
Peace Management Initiative official says state has failed West Kingston.
Ferry resident bemoans effect of Mandela Highway roadwork on pastime and community spirit.
Chinese company facing prospect of charges over illegal dumping.
And in the business news, Lucy Mayer demands Hanover get share of revenue from guest room tax.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in the Primetime News package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Describe your experience with the poor stretch of road in Portland or St. Thomas.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.